And I think that's a beautiful thing. And he's inspired me to actually go back to my roots about growing up in New Guinea and how natural I was, and how he's really taken me back to my roots. Who inspired me the most was really Michael Pollan. I adore this man. He is a humble, incredible human being that actually teaches and writes in a way that really makes you aware of how our farming system is, our soil, the way our soil is, the way we harvest, the way we store, the way we process, the way we deliver, the way we prepare, then the way we cook, and then the way we eat food. And I think that's a beautiful thing. And he's inspired me to actually go back to my roots about growing up in New Guinea and how natural I was, and how I was climbing coconut trees and being a naughty girl, and going fishing and doing all the things that I did, and grating coconuts, and just, oh my gosh, it's so great to think about actually how he's really taken me back to my roots. It's given me a good foundation to work up as I've grown into an adult actually, because I didn't really go to school, so I don't really have the words or the all the things that all the people have. I just come from simply words just kind of pour out my mouth. But he's really given me a good foundation to work from, which is just we are natural and we are part of nature, and it's what we are. It's just what we do.